after years and years of iterating, like we finally grew it to this pretty big website. We ended up selling it to Amazon for $970 million.
You are an entrepreneur, you are a problem solver, that you are comfortable with the uncomfortable.
You can get all the advice in the world, an ability to be really genuine, to really be honest with yourself, with your strengths and weaknesses.
We were supremely passionate. We really felt like there was a need in the world, and the people to solve that need was us. And if we weren't going to solve that, no one was going to solve that, and the world needed us to do that.
But we realize that if we don't act on our instincts when we think something is really important, Vlad and I, as founders and leaders of our company, are failing.
Find a tribe, which is your tribe, with smart people who are humble and who also aspire to do something big. Magic happens when you're with people like that.
Like, startups are going to hit those road bumps. So if you can see how they deal with them in advance, seeing that sort of like internalization of feedback is way more valuable.